6 things to avoid when applying for a mortgage. Here they are. Carolyn Alaverdian from Real Estate by Carolyn over at eXp Realty, putting you first every step of the way. Applying for a mortgage to purchase a home? If you answered yes, let me explain what you should avoid once you start the process. It's an exciting time when you decide to apply for a mortgage loan and begin your home search. However, it's essential not to get ahead of yourself. You must keep 6 things top of mind as you go through this process. Number 1, do not deposit large sums of money without speaking to your lender about how to document. Lenders need to source your money, and cash is hard to trace in a paper trail. Number 2, do not make any large purchases such as furniture or appliances. This will disqualify you from your loan due to a higher debt-to-income ratio. Number 3, do not co-sign any loans for anyone. Although you may not be the one making the payment, it's still going to count against you. Number 4, do not apply for new credit, whether it's for a credit card or a new car purchase. This will have an impact on your FICO credit score. Number 5, do not close any accounts. Although having fewer credit cards is going to make you a strong borrower, lenders like to see the length and depth of a borrower's credit history. Do have a good communication with your lender on any changes in your income or employment status. And finally, number 6, connect with a trusted industry professional to guide you through the process and help you make informed decisions to get to your goal of homeownership. Feel free to contact me on my team with any questions to get started on your homeownership journey. Thank you so much for watching. This is Carolyn Alaverdian from Real Estate by Carolyn over at eXp Realty, putting you first every step of the way.